In this video, we will show you how to create unlimited Gmail addresses without signing up for a new email address. Gmail has a powerful feature to increase your privacy and security and, at the same time, get your email organized. With the usage of dot and plus in your email ID, it will allow you to manage your email more efficiently. Gmail basically ignores dots and plus sign in the email address. You can make use of this feature in many scenarios. If you are the founder of a new startup company using a free Gmail service, let's assume your email address is apple@gmail.com and you have a few departments, such as finance, marketing, accounting, and human resources. You can have an email like this without spending extra money. If anyone sends using these emails, it will goes to apple@gmail.com inbox. You also can set up a filter to move these emails to a designated labels which act as an folder. Now, let's send a test email to check if our filter is working. Yes. New email can be seen in marketing folder. And if you go to inbox, you can see a label beside the email indicating it is a marketing email. If you are at any networking event and you don't want to give out your real email address, you can simply print a business card like this and pass this to them. Next, you can set up an email filter like in scenario 1 to be able to organize these emails better. If you are about to subscribe to any email newsletter or wanted to get some online giveaway twice, this feature can be so handy without signing up for a new email address. You can use this feature to create a to-do list. Anytime you remember to do something or you have a bunch of things to buy in your mind, you can send an email like this and get it delivered to a filtered to-do folder. Next, you can stop receiving annoying marketing emails notifications. When you are signing up for the email newsletter, you can enter an email like this and set up the filter to skip the inbox and send it to another folder. By doing this, you won't receive a notification when the newsletter emails are being sent. Sometime you have created an email with long ID without thinking how it is going to impact other people when reading it. With this feature, you can simply separate two different words with a dot for quick readability.